Hi, Ron from Clarity. In this short video, we'll cover the OpenRails dashboard. When you launch OpenRails, you'll typically land in one of two places. If you have administrative access, you'll land on the dashboard. If you're an employee with no admin access, you'll land on the company-wide chat. In this video, we'll just cover the admin dashboard. The first section we see across the top are the reporting widgets. These widgets provide two main functions. The first is to let us know how many items of each type have either been created or ingested. The second function lies in the fact that every element on this dashboard is linked to the associated item. For example, click on Data Lakes takes us to the Data Lake Management dashboard, clicking on Chatbots to the Chatbot dashboard, and so forth. The Quick Setup section of the dashboard also contains handy links for the tasks that we perform often, in this case generating API keys for integrations, creating a new connection to an external data source, and managing a user's role access. The bottom section is also both informational as well as linkable to each element shown. In this section, we get a visual representation of all the data lakes, shown in blue, that have been created that are potential data sources for chatbots or integrations. The second column displays what element is connected to or using each data lake as a data source. In green, we see a couple of chatbots that were configured to use the connected data repositories for all queries. This is how we secure your data. For example, an external website bot may only have data access from the data lake containing marketing and sales ingested content, whereas a chatbot used by management may contain financial data, billing, client information, and more. We're also shown any of the data lakes that are not currently being used or accessed by any bots. So in summary, OpenRails provides an admin dashboard where you are provided helpful reporting information, numerous quick links, as well as a structural diagram showcasing your data lakes and bot assignments. Thanks for watching.